Hey guys, how's it going? As you might have guessed from one of the most recent episodes on how to jumpstart your car, it's about time I changed the battery on my driving school car. Simply, driving school cars take a lot of punishment, and so it's not that surprising that parts need replacing from time to time. So that's what we're going to be doing today, is I'm just going to show you how to change the battery on my Audi A3. It may vary slightly from vehicle to vehicle, and you may need to know things like the radio code as well. Luckily on most modern vehicles, a lot of it is built into the car and you don't need to worry about it too much. However, it is worth consulting the vehicle handbook first. As with everything, before you do anything on your car, make sure you've had a little look through the vehicle handbook. Once you've had a chance to see what you're going to be doing, I'm going to talk through how to change the battery itself, just in terms of the general basics. Again, with this, treat it with a disclaimer. If you are unsure if you'll be able to do it, or just in the confidence level, then, you know, consult a professional as always, and ask for advice. And if you're not comfortable doing this, then obviously just take it to a workshop to have it done. Changing the battery is actually a really easy job, but of course it does come with its own risks. So as I say, please do be careful if you do decide to attempt this at home, and do your research before you do. Right, let's go have a look. Okay guys, so a few things we're going to need. We're going to need a suitable battery for the vehicle. So that's for the vehicle and engine combination. That can all be found out online. Going to wear some nice protective gloves as well, and we'll want to wear a bit of eye protection just in case. Got a socket set with our ratchet, our extender, and we've got a 13mm and 10mm. Might vary in size for your vehicle. Got some combination wrenches as well, just in case we want to use those. And of course I've got an impact wrench, just for a bit of ease of use and a bit of speed today. Okay, so I've consulted the vehicle handbook. I know what I'm dealing with there. I've got my new battery ready. Now that the engine's cold, and the first thing I need to do is take the negative terminal off. So starting with the negative terminal, just going to loosen off the bolt. That should be loose enough. I can just give it a little bit of a wiggle. Just going to tuck that out of the way for the time being. Now the negative's disconnected, I can disconnect the positive. Just do this a bit quicker. Give that a wiggle to come off, and place that somewhere out of the way as well. Now that's done, need to loosen the housing up. So just one bolt on this car. Remove the bracket. That's it. The battery should be good to come out. So this one I need to slide it first, and then lift. And that's the battery out. So give that a little bit of a clean up, then the new battery can go in. Okay, time to put the new battery in. And I want to make sure it goes the same orientation as it did before, so with negative towards the wall. Slide that in, and then it should be good to put the bracket back on. Back in, and bolt back in. Cool, nice and tight. As you can see, that's not going anywhere. Right, so then I need to put the positive side back on. Basically just the reverse of what we did, so slide it down nicely, make sure there's good connection there, and then we can actually just tighten that back down too. Not quite as tight as the mount. And you can see that's not going anywhere, so that's good. Okay, so we should be good to do the negative side now, but we will need to be a little bit careful as this will complete the connection. So, there we go, and again, making sure there's a nice connection on there before I tighten that down. Again, just for speed and convenience. And again, you can see that's not going to go anywhere. Good. And that should be pretty much us done for under the bonnet. Okay, so I am painfully aware about how many warning lights are about to come up on the dash with this modern vehicle, and it's got a really simple fix. Okay, so let's just make sure it's all working. Oh, radio's on. There you go. One fault. Bonnet's not closed properly. Another fault. So lots of scary warning lights on the dash now. Fantastic Christmas tree basically. And let's just make sure the car's going to start. Yeah, easy. And okay, so the way to get rid of these lights, at least on this vehicle, is really simple. Let's just go for a drive. And that's about it. The only warning light that I believe stays on for this one is the automatic start-stop, and that should go out once I restart the vehicle. So the vehicle's had a chance to calibrate itself, and let's see if what we've done has worked. So switch it off and back on. No more warning lights. Job done. And it is pretty much that simple.